Should I duplicate my Google Ads campaign on another account to scale, or will that backfire? Hi Ali, hello. I'm running a Google Ads campaign for an affiliate product that's performing really well. That's very good, amazing. I was thinking about duplicating the same campaign on another Google Ads account to scale things up. But here's my concern. Would that just make me compete against myself and drive up CVC? Or is it still worth doing? Since competitors are running the same products with same keywords anyway, so why shouldn't I? Have you tried this before? I really appreciate hearing your experience or advice. So first of all, if you're running for an affiliate, please try to understand that running a Google Ads campaign for an affiliate is becoming more and more difficult, and you need to have a lot of compliances. But since you are running, which I assume that you have done through this phase, and you are having up, you are done with the compliances. But now the reason is you are thinking about duplicating the same Google Ads campaign to another account to scale things up. No, this will not scale up because Google has a double ad serving policy. Let me see if I can figure out double ad serving policy. Google. So, okay, please try to understand. Also, see over here, I can see what it's not showing over here, but let's assume the data which is they are saying is Google Ads double serving in ads now allows a single business to show multiple ads on a search results page, provided each ad appears in a different location, such as the top and bottom of the page. So you may see over here that you can't run on the same page. Also, if you try to do this from another account, what will happen is that your either of the account will get suspended. Basically, Google do not allow the same advertiser to run multiple locations because Google want users to choose a variety from one to another. So I have never seen a case where I can see same advertiser running multiple times. And other perspective way to run in your scenario strategy, in case if you want to run up, if you are going to run up with a Google Ads account, another Google Ads account, do it with a different domain. If it's the same domain, Google will either show one of the domain ads from either of the account, because Google will not never allow to for a single advertiser to get all the spots positions in the Google Ads. Google Ads want diversification, so users have choice. So the best way to do it is to come up with another domain, which I may think your competitor may have done it, or maybe they all are different competitors that they do not have multiple ads running. You may be assuming something over here, but I think that if they are running, they must have separate domains, which I'm telling you as well. So if you want to run a scenario like this, you can run with separate domains. You should be good to go with this. So I hope this answers the query, and in case if anyone needs help with Google Ads audit, setup, or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I will definitely love to help with you. In optimizing your Google Ads campaign or digital marketing services. We are a full-fledged company, and in case if you want our services, hire us through the link in the description on the first comment of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.